Is your Jeep Liberty's alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are the door ajar sensor, the hood switch, and the TIPM. False alarms usually stem from corroded wiring or faulty switches, not the alarm itself. Start by checking the hood switch for corrosion. It's a plunger switch located under the hood. Also, ensure your doors are fully closed and the latches are aligned. A door ajar signal is often caused by misaligned door latches or faulty microswitches. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for codes like B1021, which indicates a hood ajar issue. A multimeter can confirm switch continuity. Check by unplugging the BCM connector under the driver's seat. Remember to always disconnect the battery to avoid electrical shorts. Based on Jeep Forum surveys, 35% of Liberty owners face annual alarm issues, and 90% of these alarms are sensor-related, not TIPM faults. These problems are especially common in colder climates. Addressing these quickly prevents battery drain and further issues. If the sensors check out, try resetting the TIPM. Disconnect the battery for 10 to 15 minutes. Then, reconnect it and cycle the key to the on position 3 times. This is a soft reset. For door ajar issues, lubricate and adjust door pins using WD-40 and check the BCM connector. For hood switch problems, replace the switch. Aftermarket options are readily available and inexpensive. If the TIPM is faulty, remanufactured units are available from suppliers like Mopar or aftermarket brands. A full TIPM replacement can cost $500 or more, while a switch replacement and reset typically costs $500. Remember, TIPM resets offer short-term relief. For a lasting fix, inspect wiring harnesses for chafing. If problems persist, BCM replacement might be needed. According to Jeep Forum experts, TM resets alone have an 85% success rate, so try these methods first.